Do you know about Amidis, which is a revolutionary project in medical industry with blockchain? With the NFT marketplace, Amidis is seeking to change the system completely. Hospitals, researchers, health care providers, and doctors will be able to generate NFTs and put anonymized data into them, sign the data, and then sell it to the pharmaceutical industry, researchers, and AI companies. This is important because even with artificial intelligence, if the data is incorrect and of poor quality, the advanced technology being utilized will be rendered useless. The platform works in such a way that no one would have any access to patients' information. Patients would have to actively opt into their data being used or stored into NFTs. There will also be a dashboard which will provide information about the trial. Depending on the data required, individuals can choose to participate, though they will not be able to upload data by themselves. Participants will always have to go through healthcare professionals to avoid generating dummy or false medical data for the sake of earning money. Only medical professionals can upload data from patients that decide to participate while staying anonymous. Another important fact is that they finance the trials that they do while they are selling the NFTs. So this makes independent from the pharmaceutical industry. Imagine you have a drug that is examined. Normally, the pharmaceutical company that produces the drug finances the trial, which can be problematic. Ametis also wants to help the pharmaceutical industry to avoid the issue of false data. That way, companies can save a lot of time and money because every NFT brought has a certain structure and certain type of data. They can thus rely on them to buy an NFT and thereby gain access to valuable data. When someone asks about the price of medical data from patients with cancer or heart conditions, it's impossible to give an accurate quote because for each trial there are separate prices. It all depends on how much effort and how much money was put into the generation of patient groups and the study's design. With NFTs, it will become possible to provide a price tag after some time. The AIMS token is part of the NFT marketplace. People who mint or buy the token receive a discount when they use it. There is an interesting aspect to motivate the use of the token inside the NFT marketplace system. AIMS has several functionalities: payment, utility, governance, DeFi, and is even a social token. The social component will come into play next year with a social medical platform where patients can interact with each other and self-help groups can be created. Healthcare professionals will always ensure that the information produced is valid prior to its use. Governance in AIMS will be done by token holders, who can decide on the happenings within the social medical channels, as well as the functionalities of the internal system. There is global demand for improvements in medical data and transparency in the medical pharmaceutical industry. Blockchain can be revolutionary in the medical industry as it can inherently help to provide clarity to medical records, offer tools for medical specialists. So, why should waste time? Join this platform now.